And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 109. Let me show you a black and white highlight effect. So let's just say we wanted to follow this guy right here in the greenish jersey until he disappears in the crowd. And we want to do that with a black and white highlight. One way to do it is to add the clip again, make the one on top invisible. The one at the bottom is selected, and we go to Adjust, Basic. And a very simple black and white effect is to just desaturate it. So we go down here, then make the top clip visible again. And for the top clip, go to Video Mask, add a mask, use Rectangle in this case. Here's the guy. I go to the start position and then I drag the mask right here to the left. But I first make that a bit smaller. And now you can see we've got him highlighted with colors and the rest black and white. You can by hand adjust the position, but there is a tracking option even for masks. I've already shown you that in a different example, how you can track something. Just make sure that the drop down here is open. We've got the mask correctly positioned and then confirm via track. For direction, we use both. And then it takes some time to get processed. Depending on how long the clip is, going to take more time, but here we already are. Let me just play it. You can see all of his keyframes already, and it does a good job until, well, right about here, when the guy actually gets lost in the crowd, the mask flips to different objects, for example, the photographer here in the foreground, but that's not an issue. You can now resolve this highlight effect in two ways. Let me go to this position where the guy disappears first. Then I use B, the split tool, and left click here on this element. Then I delete the excess part, I don't need it anymore. You can now add the original again, which is then be colored. Let's use the split tool here once more. We don't need the first part, drag the second part down. So I play it, only the guy is highlighted in color. And then right here, the entire thing switches to colored as the guy has vanished. Or you simply delete this part entirely and you leave the black and white part below. So the guy is the only thing that's colored. And when he disappears, everything is uncolored. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.